Python logging with multiprocessing in Windows. I have a rather large Python project which currently runs on Linux that I am trying to expand to Windows. I've reduced the code to a full example which can be run to illustrate my problems. I have two classes, parent and child. Parent is initialized first, creates a logger, and spawns a child to do work. On Linux, specifically Ubuntu 12.04, I get the following expected output. But on Windows, specifically Windows 7, it fails with a pickling error. The problem comes down to Windows' lack of a true fork, so objects have to be pickled when sent between threads. But the logger can't be pickled. I've tried using _getstate_ and _setState_ to avoid pickling, and reference by name in child. This works in Linux just as before, and now Windows won't fail with the pickling error. However, my output is only from parent. It seems that the child is unable to use the logger, despite no message complaining no logger could be found for handler_main_ or any other error message. I've looked around and there are means by which I could completely restructure how I log in my program, but that's obviously a last resort. I'm hoping that I'm just missing something obvious, and that the wisdom of the crowd can point it out to me.
In most cases, logger objects are not pickable, because they use unpickable tedding.lock and/or file objects internally. Your attempted workaround does avoid pickling the logger, but it ends up creating a completely different logger in the child process, which happens to have the same name as the logger in the parent. The effects of logging.config call you made are lost. To get the behavior you want, you need to recreate the logger in the child process and recall logging.config.ditconfig. Or, if you want to keep using _getstate_slash_setstate_.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.